guys! I think you will love lesson 5 of my daily Spanish app because we will learn 5 basic Spanish verbs. In Spanish, 5 verbos básicos. As you know, in Spanish, verbs are very different because we have to say different forms for each person. In English, not is so complicated, but in Spanish it's a bit more difficult to use the verbs. So we will learn some verbs in present simple today, and I will show you many examples in sentences in the use of the verbs. So please repeat constantly these questions and answers, these sentences, because you can practice the pronunciation in Spanish and you can practice these sentences that you can use in a dialogue, in a conversation with the native Spanish people. So it's very easy to you because I will show you some complete sentences. You don't have to think about it, how to create the answer or the question. You can use them. Right? So please don't be shy and use these sentences, and you will be very successful in your conversation in Spanish. Spanish people will love your sentences, right? Now, let's see the first one. Our first example is Yo soy alto. Yo soy alto. I am tall. And from this sentence, we can figure out that our verb is ser, is to be in English. Let's see how to say it. Yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are. Él es, he is. Ella es, she is. Usted es, you are. It's the formal version, right? Usted. Nosotros somos, we are male. Nosotras somos, we are female. So, if in your group all the persons are girls, you have to say nosotras. If there is one little boy in the group, you have to say nosotros. Okay? The same with vosotros sois, you are for male. Vosotras sois, you are for female. But all the persons in the group has to be a girl. Ellos son, they are male. Ellas son, they are female. Ustedes son, you are, as a formal, right? Now let's see again these words. Yo, I. Tú, you. Él, he. Ella, she. Usted, you, formal. Nosotros, we. Male or mixed group. Nosotras, we, female group. Vosotros, you, male or mixed group. Vosotras, you, female group. Ellos, they, male or mixed group. Ellas, they, female group. Ustedes, you, formal. Let's see some more examples. Tú eres médico. You are a doctor. Él es mi hijo. Él es mi hijo. He's my son. Ella es mi hija. Ella es mi hija. She's my daughter. Usted es el director. Usted es el director. You are the director. Nosotros somos camareros. Nosotros somos camareros. We are waiters. Nosotras no somos altas. Nosotras no somos altas. We are not tall. Vosotros sois budistas. Vosotros sois budistas. You are Buddhists. Vosotras sois amables. Vosotras sois amables. You are nice. Ellos no son ingenieros. Ellos no son ingenieros. They aren't engineers. Ellas son profesoras. Ellas son profesoras. They are teachers. Ustedes son ricos. Ustedes son ricos. You are rich. Okay, let's see the second verb. Tengo dos perros. I have 2 dogs. Tengo. This is the first version of tener. This is have got in English. Tener. Let's see. Yo tengo. I have. Tú tienes. You have. Él, ella, usted tiene. He, she has. Do you remember? Él for boys, ella for girls. Usted is formal. Nosotros, nosotras tenemos. We have. Do you remember? Nosotros is for mixed or for male group. Nosotras is for female group. Vosotros, vosotras tenéis. You have. Ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen. They have. Do you remember? Ellos for mixed or male group. Ellas for female group. Ustedes for formal group. Some sentences. ¿Tienes coche? ¿Tienes coche? Do you have a car? Ella no tiene dinero. Ella no tiene dinero. She doesn't have money. Attention, dinero in English is money. Nosotros tenemos una casa familiar. Nosotros tenemos una casa familiar. We have a family house. ¿Tenéis tiempo? ¿Tenéis tiempo? Do you have time? Ustedes no tienen problemas. Ustedes no tienen problemas. You don't have problems. Next one. Trabajo aquí. I work here. Do you remember that verb? Trabajo is trabajar, work. Yo trabajo. I work. Tú trabajas. You work. Él, ella, usted trabaja. He, she works. Or you work as formal. Nosotros, nosotras trabajamos. We work. Vosotros, vosotras trabajáis. You work. Ellos, ellas, ustedes trabajan. They work or you work for formal. Some more questions and answers. ¿Tú trabajas hoy? ¿Tú trabajas hoy? Are you working today? Attention, please. This letter is never pronounced in Spanish. Right? Él nunca trabaja. He never works. Él nunca trabaja. Trabajamos desde casa. Trabajamos desde casa. We work from home. ¿Trabajáis mucho? ¿Trabajáis mucho? Do you work a lot? Ellos trabajan en su propia empresa. Ellos trabajan en su propia empresa. They work in their own company. Next one. Our first example is Yo no como carne. I don't eat meat. Como, we can say that is comer, is eat in English. Comer. Yo como. I eat. Tú comes. You eat. Él, ella, usted come. He, she eats and you eat for formal. Nosotros, nosotras comemos. We eat. Vosotros, vosotras coméis. You eat. Ellos, ellas, ustedes comen. They eat or you eat for formal. Ustedes. Some more sentences. ¿Comes algo? ¿Comes algo? Do you eat something? Él come pizza de vez en cuando. Él come pizza de vez en cuando. He eats pizza from time to time. Nosotros no comemos nada ahora. Nosotros no comemos nada ahora. We don't eat anything now. Coméis mucho. Coméis mucho. You eat a lot. Ellos no comen huevo. Ellos no comen huevo. They don't eat egg. Next one. Vivo en el centro. I live in the center. You can figure out that this is the verb vivir. To live. Vivir. Yo vivo. I live. Tú vives. You live. Él, ella, usted vive. He, she lives or you live for formal. Nosotros, nosotras vivimos. We live. Vosotros, vosotras vivís. You live. Ellos, ellas, ustedes viven. They live or you live for formal. Some more sentences. ¿Dónde vives? ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? Luis vive aquí. Luis vive aquí. Luis lives here. Vivimos con mi familia. Vivimos con mi familia. We live with my family. ¿Vivís lejos? ¿Vivís lejos? Do you live far away? Ellos viven su vida. Ellos viven su vida. They live their life. Well, thank you very much for your attention. This is a very important lesson and a very difficult lesson, I think. So, please do the exercise of free lesson 5 because you can practice the formal and the informal versions of the verbs. And you can practice how to create a sentence and you can practice all the things we learned in this lesson. So, you will be very, very perfect in Spanish, I think. But, por favor, haz el ejercicio de la lección gratuita número 5. Please do the exercise of free lesson 5. Okay, guys. See you next time. Bye.